representing today's assembly. My name is Trisha and today's good thought. Whatever you think, today is the base of tomorrow's event. म्हणजे आज केलेला विचार हा उद्याच्या घटनेसाठी पाया असतो. Thank you. Good morning friends. Good morning friends, my name is Abhishek. Today I am going to tell about today's day special. First, National Polio Day. Second, birth anniversary of Mahadev Govinda Ranade. Hi friends, my name is Preeta and I am telling you today's harmony. Today's date 18/2/2024. Today's day is Saturday. Today's sunrise was 7:14 a.m. and today's sunset will be 6 p.m. Thank you. Good morning friends, my name is Siddhi and I am going to tell you news. First, PM to inaugurate Veer Savarkar College several projects in Delhi. Second, UGS NET exam to begin today. Third, GATE 2025 admit card to be released today. Thank you. Good morning friends, my name is Priya. Today we are going to ask you some GK questions. First, which is the first scripture in Marathi language? I repeat my question. Which is the first scripture in Marathi language?
Scripture.
सांगतोस.
Answer is Vivek Sindhu. Second, which is the highest rainfall place in Maharashtra?
Rainfall ना? परत एकदा
सांगा.
rainfall हा word.
I repeat my question. Which is the highest rainfall place in Maharashtra?
हा.
आंबोली.
Answer is correct. Answer is Amboli. Third, which is the when is World Population Day celebrated?
परत एकदा.
I repeat my question. When is World Population Day celebrated?
सांगा.
सांगू का तुम्ही?
Answer is correct. Answer is 11 July. Fourth, where is the Kumbh Mela held in Maharashtra?
कुंभ मेला. हा.
Answer is correct. Answer is Nashik. Fifth, which is the final winner team in IPL 2011?
2011 11चं कसं सांगतील रे आता?
जास्त सांगायचं.
2011चं सांगा विजेता IPL चे.
I repeat my question. Which is the final winner team in IPL 2011?
सांग तू.
Answer is CSK.